Korea. Itong Big Yu is actually a Japanese who lived and fought in South Korea. His manager is South Korean. That's why he picked up the name Big Yu. Sabi ni Banal sa akin, Sir, bukas small U na.
Pero Ron, pag-usapan muna natin si AJ Bazooka Banal. Ayan po ang mga credentials niya.
Yeah, former WBO Youth Super Flyweight Champion. He was the #1, won an eliminator. Then, you know, he fought for the interim title. This was his biggest disappointment. Winning on the scorecards of all 3 judges, he got knocked out in the 10th round by Rafael Concepcion. And tomorrow, Rafael Concepcion is fighting for the world title. Ibig sabihin, Banal missed a chance, but sabi niya sa akin, bawi kami. We are coming back. We're going to win the world title.
Pero Ronnie, malakas ang kanyang makakaharap. Si Big Yu, ang dating Korean Super Flyweight Champion. Ayan po ang mga credentials ni Big Yu.
Yeah, former WBO interim Super Flyweight Champion. Alam mo itong Big Yu, never been stopped in his entire career. Ibig sabihin, lakas, matibay ito.
Although he lost 2 fights already, he won 16-11 by knockout. Tignan natin ang nangyari sa press con, Ron.
Yeah, press con, of course, there's the AJ Banal. Sabi niya, Big Yu didn't want to talk. Sabi niya, I'll do my talking in the ring. Sabi ni Banal, tignan natin bukas. Kayang-kaya, sabi ni Banal.
Ayan po ang naganap sa
yung physical
weigh-in naman.
Yeah, yung weigh-in. Perfect. Both fighters right on the dot. Big Yu and Banal. Maraming tao doon sa yung Island City Mall Activity Center.
At ngayon naman, punta natin ang tail of the tape. Both fighters, same age, pero mas matangkad. Si Big Yu, parehas lang ang timbang, pero merong reach advantage si Big Yu, Ronnie.
Yeah, alright.
At ngayon naman, pumunta tayo sa loob ng ring para sa official announcement ng laban.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. At this point in time, we'd like to acknowledge the important people behind this big event tonight. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. First up, the president of ALA Promotions, Mr. Michael Aldeguer. We'd also like to call on the president of the WBO Asia Pacific, Leon Panoncillo. The head of the boxing division of the Games and Amusements Board of the Philippines, Dr. Nasser Cruz. Tagbilaran's #1 counselor, Babay Yap. We have the operations director of Peacock Garden Resort, Christian Schuf. And now it is time to meet our boxers for our main event. First up, let's call on from South Korea, Big Yu. Big Yu, ladies and gentlemen. And now let's call the fighting pride of the Ala Gym of Cebu, AJ Bazooka Banal. singing of the national anthems of both countries represented on the ring tonight. And we would like to request everyone to please stand. First up, we have the singing of the national anthem of Korea. And here to sing it for us are Professor Yoo Soon-shih, their conductor, and to sing it will be the pair of Jeon Jang and Hee Hyun-yu. Thank you. And now to sing for us the Philippine National Anthem, please welcome the Pride of Bohol, Gay Fernando Leon.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka masisihil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa